Hello friends, I am Dr. Himanshu Pandey, Assistant Professor, School of Law, Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya, Indore. Today I am going to deliver my lecture on this present module, Basics of Research. This module contains an easy and layman approach for understanding research and its fundamental aspects concerning objectives, purposes and importance of research. How research methods vary from one stream of knowledge to other, especially questions relating to the nature and objectives of legal research. All these points have been dealt under this module, which will be explained by this lecture. Objective of this lecture and module is to develop basic understanding of research and their relationship with human being. Human development is the outcome of research process, and identifying research process, its kind and importance, to develop skills to design, analyze and research on socio-legal problems so that you can plan and pursue legal and social-legal research in your future. For understanding the concept of research, it is necessary to understand this concept in two ways. First, in its ordinary sense, and second one is technical sense. Before coming to technical sense, it is necessary to understand the concept in practical lives. Examples. In ordinary sense, the person used to solve his problem of life in his day-to-day action. Such action performed by the person towards his problem solving is sometimes ordinarily called as research. In fact, that is not right to say research in technical term. If man perceives any problem, any fact, any phenomena or any transaction problematic in his life, and he has no experience and knowledge how to handle that problem, immediately this is the natural phenomena or natural quality of the man that immediately he moves to search the knowledge. He moves to search the knowledge towards problem solving with experts, experienced person and credible persons supposed to have the answer of such problem or knowledge to resolve that problem. After applying, seeking that knowledge, he applies that knowledge and try to resolve his problem of life. Whether his problem will be solved or not, it depends. This process of problem solving in the life is a problem solving action, and that problem solving action is not scientific because the method used to find out the solution of the problem has not proceeded according to the scientific methods, and it was not acted in a systematic manner. This whole process may be called as non-research action, and non-research action is always other than the research which is not amount to research. There is a difference between non-research action and research process. The non-research action is always complex in its process, and if any action not performed systematically, obviously its results would not be reliable. If the results are not reliable, and applying those results to satisfy any problem of life may be risky affair or may be harmful for the person or the society or institution. On the contrary, research process is a scientific process of searching knowledge. Scientific process of searching knowledge means all those methods which have already been approved are used for pursuing research. Though those models suggested for pursuing research are not conclusive, the researcher has his choice to modify and take any method according to his purpose and objectives of research. and any such data which has been obtained by pursuing the scientific process, its results can be relied and valid, and any such reliable and valid conclusion can be used in the stock of knowledge, can contribute towards the existing stock of knowledge. After discussing about the concept in its ordinary way, now it is necessary to understand the concept with its technical sense. In technical sense, we can say that research is the composition of two terms, one is re and second one is search. Re is the Latin term, means again, afresh and repeated investigation. Search means to find out something by looking or otherwise seeking. Here these two terms are itself suggesting the whole process, means to find out something by directly observing the phenomena or by any other sources or methods. This is the research. Here the research is a process. That process starts from selection of research problem. After selecting any research problem, researcher moves to solve that problem. His movement for solving the problem comes with his second step, that is the study of facts. He tried to gather all such relevant information, facts relating to his problem, and after analyzing those facts, he comes on certain conclusion, and after concluding that thing, he finds any knowledge, and if that knowledge is applied for the utility, for the benefit of the society, and if that knowledge can satisfy or cope up the society from that problem, now it can be called as a success process of research. The research process includes some major questions like what to search, why to search, and how to search. The term what, it denotes the object of research, why denoting the purposes thereof, and third, how stands for the methods used for the research. Major components of research are its objective, second is purpose, and third one is method used for data collection, data analysis, and interpretation thereof. It is necessary to make it clear and distinguish between two terms which are usually and repeatedly used with every research, that is the objectives of research and purpose of research. Objective of research and purpose of research are not the same. Objectives have different working and purposes have different results. Objectives of any research is to seek the knowledge by describing the nature of research, quality of research, or philosophy or the principle of research. And purpose part of the research always denotes that how that result of the research will be beneficial for the society. Who would be the beneficiary of the results? How that research conclusion, research results will be beneficial for them, or it can be the rationale of the research which comes within the part of purpose of research.